What's up, kinfolk? Y'all know what time it is. We're back in the kitchen for another round of our holiday recipe series. And today we're making a pineapple honey glazed ham. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need a bone-in spiral sliced ham, butter, brown sugar, honey, sliced pineapples, pineapple juice, vanilla extract, Dijon mustard, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Alright, let's kick things off by making our glaze. Start by melting down a stick of butter in the saucepan. Once that's melted, add in a cup of brown sugar and give it a good mix. Next, pour in a cup of pineapple juice. Add a cup of honey. And a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now for the spices, add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, a 4 teaspoon of allspice, and a 4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Lastly, add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract and bring it to a simmer until the glaze begins to thicken. Now place your ham in a baking dish and gently separate the slices. Lay a few pineapple slices at the bottom. Pour your glaze all over your ham, making sure it gets between every slice. You want full coverage. For the topping, combine a cup of brown sugar, a 4 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Spread it over the top of the ham and gently pack it down. Cover your ham with foil and bake it at 325 degrees for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, basting every 30 minutes. Now the baking time can vary depending on the size of your ham. This one's about 9 pounds. Keep basting every 30 minutes to lock in all that flavor. After an hour and a half, remove the foil and give it one final baste. Then pop it back in the oven under the broiler for a few minutes, just until the top gets nice and crisp. And there you have it, pineapple honey glazed ham. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.